Hello friends, welcoming to you. Regularly I will meet to you through this online media. In the previous lecture discuss verses 1, 2, 3, 4 of the poem Fifth. Let us do a quick revision to the verses 1, 2, 3 and 4. Verses 1 tell us good readers 6 qualities. Then verses 2 tell us about wealth, life and youth are unsteady. Only the fame lives. Verses move further to verses 3 that tell us different desire of the different people. Then verses number 4 tell us different people has a different eyesight. Now moving on verses number 5. First, open your textbook and attentively listen. First, I sing. After, I do translation and I tell difficult glossary words, word meaning. So attentively listen. Let's go. Verses number 5. Daridraya dhanam deyam Jnanam deyam jadaya cha Pipasitaya paniyam Sudhitaya cha bhojanam Sudhitaya cha bhojanam. Second time. Daridraya dhanam deyam Jnanam deyam jadaya cha Pipasitaya paniyam Sudhitaya cha bhojanam Sudhitaya cha bhojanam. Daridraya, the poor people. Deyam, dhanam deyam. Dhan means a money. Deyam means should be given. Should be given. So daridray dhanam deyam. The poor should be given money. Jnanam deyam jadaya cha. Jadai, ignorant person or foolish. But ignorant person यानी जड़ाय, जिनके पास बुद्धि नहीं है. तो ज्ञानम देयम जड़ाय च. And the ignorant should be given knowledge. Jnana means knowledge. Pipasitaya pani deyam. Pipasitaya, a water should be given to the thirsty. Cha means and sudhitaya cha bhojanam. Sudhitaya deyam cha bhojanam. And sudhitaya, and food should be given to the hungry. So a different people give to the things is a different type of the people. अलग अलग प्रकार के व्यक्ति को अलग अलग चीज़ देना जरूरी है. दरिद्राय धनम देयम, तो the poor should be given money and the ignorant should be given knowledge. Water should be given to the thirsty and food should be given to the hungry. Fifth lesson, fifth verses is over. Sixth, first sing. लोभात् क्रोध प्रभवति, लोभात् काम प्रजायते, लोभान् मोहश्च नाशश्च, लोभ पापस्य कारणम्, लोभ पापस्य कारणम्। तो लोभात् क्रोध प्रभवति, एंग्री originates from greed. Lobh means a greed. From greed, prabhavati originates. Lobhat prabhavati, lobhat krodh prabhavati. Krodh means greed. So anger originates from greed. Desire is born out of greed. लोभात काम प्रजायते, काम मीन्स डिजायर, तो डिजायर इज बॉर्न आउट ऑफ ग्रीड। लोभान मोहाच्च नाशश्च, आउट ऑफ ग्रीड टेम्पटेशन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन आर caused by greed. ग्रीड लोभ पापस्य कारणम, तो ग्रीड इज द कॉज ऑफ सिन, पापस्य ऑफ द सिन। तो लोभात क्रोध प्रभवति, एंगर originates from greed, desire is born out of greed, temptation and destruction are caused by greed. Greed is the cause of sin. लोभात पापस्य कारणम, ए ग्रीड इज द कॉज ऑफ सिन। लोभ पाप का कारण है। तो पाप न होने, पाप से बचने के लिए लोभ छोड़ना चाहिए, लोभ रखना नहीं चाहिए। नंबर 7, तस्कस्य विषम दन्ते मक्षिकाय च मस्तके, वृश्चिकस्य विषम पुच्छे, सर्वांगे दुर्जनस्य ततः, सर्वांगे दुर्जनस्य ततः। तस्कस्य विषम दन्ते मक्षिकाय च मस्तके, वृश्चिकस्य विषम पुच्छे, सर्वांगे दुर्जनस्य ततः। सर्वांगे दुर्जन, दुर्जन मीन्स ए बैड पीपल, नॉट अ गुड पीपल बट ए बैड पीपल। तो तस्कर सर्वांगे दुर्जनस्य ततः, ए विकेड पर्सन। तो द स्नेक हैज पॉइजन इन इट्स टीथ। तस्कर, तस्क मीन्स स्नेक, तस्कस्य of a snake, makshikaya of fly, vrushikaya of a scorpion, which means poison. So the snake has poison in its teeth, the fly has poison in its head, the scorpion has poison in its tail, and wicked person, whole body is full of poison. A wicked person and a good person. Discuss to wicked person and good person. तो good person कौन है, wicked person कौन है? wicked मानी दुर्जन। तो दुर्जन जो है उनके पूरे बॉडी में विष होता है। ये wicked person whole body is full of पॉइजन, तो इसे विकेड पर्सन कहते हैं। ए विकेड पर्सन इज मोर पॉइजनस देन ए स्नेक, ए फ्लाई एंड स्कॉर्पियन। लास्ट, उत्सवे व्यसने चैव दुर्भिक्षे शत्रुविप्लवे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च य तिष्ठति स बान्धवा, य तिष्ठति स बान्धव। उत्सवे व्यसने चैव दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु विप्लवे। उत्सवे ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल, व्यसने and the difficulty and difficult positions, durbikshe in the famine, shatru viplave in the war with the enemies, rajdware at the door of the king, and smashane, to smashane in the crematorium, and a bandhavah relative। यह तिष्ठति, वन हु स्टैंड, जो खड़ा रहता है, वन हु स्टैंड इन द फेस्टिवल, उत्सवे, वन हु स्टैंड इन द फेस्टिवल एज वेल एज इन द calamity, famine, war with the enemy, and in the royal assembly, as well as in the crematorium, is relative। Who is relative? So one who stand in the festival, as well as calamity, as well as war of the enemy, in the royal assembly, as well as in the crematorium, is our relative। वन हु स्टैंड, तो कौन हमारा मित्र है? तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में जो समय पर अपने साथ देता है, उससे ही हमें अपना मित्र या अपना रिलेटिव मानना चाहिए। तो सो नाउ हियर आवर chapter number 5 is finished। In next session we will start poem number 6। तो first write the glossary in poem parts, part number 2, poem 5, part 2। First write the glossary, after write the translation and question answer। गुड डे, गुड बाय, जय स्वामी नारायण।